young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to explore the mesmerizing world of jaguars. Jaguars are like the stealthy and powerful cats of the jungle, and they've been the stuff of legends for centuries. Are you ready for this adventurous wildlife expedition? Fantastic! Join us for the next 5 minutes as we dive into the incredible world of jaguars. Our jaguar adventure begins with an introduction to these incredible big cats. Jaguars are like the jungle's elusive royalty. They're known for their striking rosette patterns and are the third largest big cat species in the world. Now, let's explore the lush habitats of jaguars. Jaguars are like the kings and queens of the rainforest. They're found in the dense jungles of the Americas, from the Amazon to the Pantanal. They're exceptional swimmers and climbers. Time to learn about the jaguar diet. Jaguars are like top predators in their ecosystems. They have a diverse menu that includes deer, peccaries, and even caimans. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth make them formidable hunters. Let's observe the intriguing behavior of jaguars. Jaguars are like the enigmatic cats of the jungle. They're solitary creatures and are known for their stealth and patience when stalking prey. They're also expert tree climbers, often taking their kills into trees to avoid scavengers. Our journey concludes with the importance of jaguar conservation. Jaguars are like guardians of the jungle, but they're threatened by habitat loss and poaching. We can help protect these magnificent creatures by supporting conservation efforts. And there you have it, our amazing journey through the world of jaguars. Jaguars are like symbols of the wild spirit, and they teach us about the beauty and importance of nature. Whether it's the strength of a jaguar's bite or the grace of their movements, each one is a testament to the wonders of the jungle. Remember, young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts, jaguars need our help. Keep learning about these amazing creatures, keep raising awareness about the importance of rainforest conservation, and keep taking actions to protect the incredible jaguars and their lush habitats. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting educational adventures with us. Thank you for joining us on this wild adventure today, my young friends. Until next time, keep the spirit of the jungle alive in your hearts, keep exploring the wonders of the rainforest, and keep championing the incredible jaguars of our planet. Goodbye, young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts.